Hey everyone, welcome to the Easy Fix YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show how to do an iPhone SE 2020 back glass. There will be no laser used in this video to demonstrate how to completely repair a back glass without any specialty tools. The technician in this video will only be using a heat gun and a flat razor blade for glass removal. Don't forget to leave a like on this video to keep the amazing momentum going. Also, why don't you hit that big red subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you always know when the Easy team uploads our next video. Let's continue with the video. Thank you everyone for watching.